here. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a New Year's vlog. I hope you guys had an awesome 2017. In this video, my family and I will be going to our local zoo to see some holiday lights. We'll also be setting off fireworks in our front yard, and we'll be watching the big ball drop in New York on TV, and we'll also celebrate when it turns midnight. Also, right after I'm done talking here, I will be showing you a 2017 review video I made with clips from some of my most popular and my personal favorite videos I've made in 2017. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to leave a like and also hit the subscribe button down below. So I'm going to stop talking and let you guys watch the video. Hey guys, Hockey107 here. Okay guys, so this is our New Year's dinner. My mom cooked it, and it is nachos, and it looks pretty tasty. And then we also got some sparkling ice lemonade to drink. And so yeah, we're gonna eat up and then go to Zoo Lights. these are all the fireworks we have. So I'm going to show you all of them. So starting off right here, we have these assorted color snakes. We also have 4 packets of sparklers. We also have a little tank that's supposed to move and shoot out little explosions. And then finally we have this big thing that has a bunch of big fireworks in it. As you might already know, 2017 was a lit year, so we had to light off some fireworks to finish the year off. Happy New Year. I hope your guys' 2017 was awesome, and I hope your 2018 is even better. Make sure to subscribe and also hit the like button down below. Okay guys, so we are getting ready for 2018 to start, and I got my red glitter Happy New Year hat. I have this thing. I also have my little bell. And I have this fuzzy necklace. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed our 2018.
10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Happy New Year!
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like on the video, and also please comment your New Year's resolution in the comment section below. My New Year's resolution is to drink more water and to stop biting my fingernails. So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever you want to do, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!